Hello everyone, today our group will be presenting the poster for Wear Your Mask campaign for the group assignment, and this is our group member. As appeared in the screen, this is our poster about Wear Your Mask. Without wasting time, let's proceed with the presentation.
Assalamualaikum and greetings for everyone. My name is Rahman bin Ladari, BB191100718. More than 118 million individuals has been exposed to this pandemic since 2020, and more than 3 million people die every day as a result of COVID-19. The government has advised that we must wear masks to protect ourselves from being infected with the virus. Despite the fact that the government has issued the order, only a few people are aware of it. However, there are still people that do not take wearing masks as a priority, hence why we will get into in more deeply in this presentation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rashida binti Basit and I will be continue the presentation with the factors of wearing face masks. So the first factors is it is mandatory by the government because the spread of coronavirus occurred rapidly and spread overnight, where cases in Malaysia have increased 3 times faster than before. Since then, the government has set 3 standard operating procedures which all the communities are required to follow. So the first of it is obligatory to wear a face mask in public or outside the house. Those who do not wear face masks will be prosecuted by the authorities, where they will be compounded with high prices. This is because the government wants to create fear among the communities so that they comply with the SOPs set by the government.
Factor of wearing face mask during COVID-19 pandemic is for self-protection, as it is recommended as a barrier to prevent respiratory fluid from spread to the air and people around. This is because the person infected with coronavirus is believed to be able to infect others through the air when there is a splash of respiratory fluid when an infected person is cough, sneeze, or even talks. Therefore, by wearing the mask, especially for the 3 layers, it can be prevent the spread of COVID-19 among the community in our country as well for the another country. Due to the above factors, the wearing of face masks has become the obligation and responsibility of all communities in our country to work together to curb the spread of COVID-19.
Hello everyone, my name is Londuna Herbert, matrix number BB1916108. I'm going to present on the benefits of wearing face masks. During this pandemic, face mask is a must for everyone to wear. The policy of wearing face masks is very important because it is an ethic that should be applied by everyone. One of it is cleaning your hands before you put your mask on, as well as before and after you take it off, and after you touch it at any time. Therefore, to help control the spread of the COVID-19, there are few benefits of wearing face masks.
Hi, my name is Clementina Lakwai. One of the benefits of wearing face mask is to protect those people around you. COVID-19 spread mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets. Respiratory droplets travel into the air when we are cough, sneeze, talk, shout, or sing. These droplets can land in the mouth or nose of people who are near you, or they may be breathed these droplets in. Masks are simple barrier to help our respiratory from reaching others.
Hello, my name is Mazia Jilis and I'll proceed with the second benefits, which is to protect ourselves from getting infected. Studies suggest that face masks will offer protection for the wearer, but the protective perks most obvious when it covers their mouth and nose. Apart from that, it is also recommended to wear masks that the Government of Health has suggested. It is crucial for everyone to wear the mask because the more people wearing masks, the less virus circulating in the community. Although it is not the only way to prevent the spreading of coronavirus, but it is at least can reduce everyone's risk for infection. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Siti Nur Junaida binti Sharif Ibrahim, BB19161075. Now I will present the first effect if people don't wear a face mask during this pandemic COVID-19. The government has urged communities to wear a face mask whenever they are outside of their home area. This is because if a community does not wear a face mask during the transmissions of COVID-19 infectious disease, the percentage increase for a community to be effective is very high. This is said because some researcher has confirmed that some of the routes of this virus are transmitted through the air, and the virus even spread through the close contact such as touch and conversation. Therefore, the government urged that community to follow the new SOP, such as wearing a face mask every time they are outside or they meet outsider, to help the government to break the chain of COVID-19 infectious disease. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jocelyn Linda Goliun, BB19110371. In these videos, I will continue the presentation from my friends about the effect of not wearing a mask. The increasing of COVID-19 is one of the effects. The increase in the COVID-19 virus has constrained the activities of the society as well as the economic development of the country, causing the economic of a country to be backward. The government has also started to ask people to work through the house so that the disease can be reduced and people can live like the norm before the presence of the COVID-19 virus disease. Thank you.
With all of that being said, we can finally conclude that wearing a mask is very important for us, especially during this pandemic time. However, we may not only limit the use of it during this pandemic, and instead we can try to use it as our new norm. Wearing a face mask, we can try to adapt it with our daily life routine. As an example, when we go to a shop, or when we go to school, or when we go to work. Although wearing a mask can be beneficial for most parts, however, every beneficial thing comes with its own consequences. It can't be denied that in the future we may need to use face masks as a normal thing. However, if it's for the better part, like a better and healthier lifestyle and surrounding, why not we try to make it work, and instead of feeling like it's a forceful thing to do.
Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad bin Salam. My matrix number is BB19110570, and I will be the presenter for the rest of the conclusion part. Besides of wearing a mask, the government also can investigate for another option. Appropriate public health measures and government subsidy may be required in the future to address such situation. Future study into how to improve adherence and enforcement rate will help society to avoid respiratory infectious illness in the future. People must be reminded on the significance of using face masks, since they have been recognized as a first step in avoiding and controlling the spread of the disease. That's all from me. Thank you.